Guys, let's talk about the Musk Twitter saga, seemingly reaching its conclusion here. At least that's what Elon Musk wants. In a surprise move, Musk went back and agreed to buy Twitter at his original price point of $44 billion, $54.20 a share. And this as a court battle with the social media company looms. Joining us to discuss the legal implications is Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan. Alexis, you were tracking this all day yesterday, and some of the filings that were coming out hot and heavy from Elon Musk, or X Holdings, we should say here.
Right. So we learned about this because it came up in Twitter's SEC filings. There was a letter that went from Musk's lawyers to Twitter's board saying that we would like to go forward on this $54.20 per share basis, that $44 billion. But they said they'd like the court, of course, to stay the litigation. So what this looks like is the parties are getting a chance to work out the details of this so-called settlement and find a way to at least put this litigation on hold until they do it. And if Musk proves that he does close the deal, okay, then the lawsuit can officially go away. But let's talk about what perhaps broke the straw that broke the camel's back here, right? So you have Musk's deposition that was scheduled for tomorrow. That was going to take place as many days as needed. He was going to have to testify under oath. Also, you have the judge on Monday granting a request that was made by Twitter for Musk's circles to disclose more in discovery. And what they wanted to dig in on was a May 6 email that was sent from an anonymous source to Musk's lawyers and saying that they should talk offline somewhere else. Now, we don't know what happened from that email, if any follow-up was done at all, but Twitter wanted to know more. So that was going to happen, and this would not then go forward if there's an agreement for the deal to go forward. Also, in Musk's pre-deal text, I should say, they showed, and these were the ones that we got last week, there were a lot of Musk's communications about the deal with his circles. And in those texts, he definitely showed that bots were a concern for him, and a big concern for him. And that could go both ways. On one hand, Musk was saying that that Twitter didn't disclose enough about bots. But on the other hand, if he knew that they were a large problem and went forward with the deal anyway, that could arguably go against his theory. Finally, you have potential further damage being done to Twitter as the litigation was going on, as this trial was looming. But one thing that was mentioned to me that really resonated with me was the idea that Musk, if he were to break up this deal and push even harder, that maybe his days of deal making were threatened. And I think that's a big one. So a lot of speculation there, but I think when you put all those pieces together, perhaps he got some advice from his lawyers that this road was the right one to take.
Well, don't close the book on it just yet, because you never know. You just never know.
You never know. Let's not close the book.
Alexis Keenan, thanks so much.
Yeah.